Hello and welcome to All Taste German. People often ask us which sides they should prepare for a traditional German meal. I'm sure you all know that Germans love their potatoes, so you are probably not surprised that one of the most popular side dishes are Salzkartoffeln, which are peeled potatoes cooked in water with salt. Sounds easy, but there are some little tricks to it that I want to show you in this video. First, you need to choose the right potato. Use only firm potato varieties for Salzkartoffeln. A russet potato will fall apart in the boiling process. Some of the great potatoes you can choose are Yukon Gold, Red Bliss, Corolla, Inca Gold, and Rose Gold. Wash the potatoes and peel them. Make sure you cut off any bad parts. Then rinse the potatoes and cut into equal-sized pieces to make sure they will cook evenly. Add the potatoes to a medium-sized pot. Cover them with cold water and add the salt. Put the lid on and bring to a boil. Then lower to a medium heat and boil for about 10 to 20 minutes. Use the point of a sharp knife to check if they are done. Make sure you don't overcook them. When the potatoes are done, pour out the water and let them steam out in a strainer or directly in the pot. Salzkartoffeln are the perfect side for any meat dish, especially those with a great German sauce like Gulasch or Rouladen. Guten Appetit!